Like that. Me again. So anyway, I bought myself a new tripod. I've got various ones that I like to carry in my bags, and I thought, well, I got 3 bikes, so I'll get a third. But this one is one I've always had in the shed for doing stuff around here, but it's quite broken now. I've got a piece super glued up under there, so I can't take the stand off, so I can't actually, so it's not really mobile, if you get what I'm saying. So I thought I'd get a replacement one for this one, but I could also use it for the bikes as well. Anyway, so I've seen this one on Amazon, special offer, $6.99. Thought I'd give it a go. It's got a quite a good like sort of look to it. As you can see, it's got a remote as well, and it's got a light on there, like a backlight for using your phone. But also, as you can see, just where my thumb is, a connector for a GoPro, which is what I needed. So anyway, we'll get it out of the box and we'll have a look at it. But as you can see on this one here, well, you can't see it, but this one here goes exactly 2 foot, which is, I think, somewhere around about 67 centimeters, something like that. And this one's supposed to go 72 centimeters, but I don't know if that's from the light or from the handle, so we'll see when we get it all out. So okay, let's have a look, see what's in the box. So we've got ourselves a charger cable, connectors here, I'm hoping that's the phone ones. Nice little bag to put it all in. Got ourselves a battery, must be for the light, and a user guide. So there you go, looks quite smart for the phone. And yes, as you can see, it's got the 3-pin connector, so the GoPro goes straight on it. That's a Bluetooth remote there, if you need to use it. Pretty cool. Slots off some out. Oh, I guess it comes out when you do the other piece. And I doubt it I'll use my phone, but you never know. If I forget my GoPro, I've got my phone. So I'll take it apart, take that part off, and there you go. GoPro goes straight on there, which is good. Now the next thing, get the legs open so we can see. There we go. Yeah, looks quite smart little thing. So yeah, that goes right up like that. I'll quickly take a measurement of it. You won't see the top of it, but then we'll know. Get my tape here. And from top to bottom is basically the same height. So you gain your 70 odd using the foam one. But yeah, not bad. I quite like it. It's perfect for what I need. It's more stable than the other one I've got. And for £7 you can't really go wrong on that, can you? It's pretty good. So it's got all the bits and it folds up really small. So hence that now will actually fit in one of my side bags on my bike. So I'll be able to take it with me now as well. So, but it'll mainly be in here, but like I say, I've got 3 altogether now, because this one I'll probably chuck it in the bin. It's been good, but it's broken a few places now, so this one will take the place of it. Yeah, so I'll put the link in the description of where I got it from, but yeah, really happy with that. For like $6.99 you can't go wrong. Whether it would be that price by the time you go and have a look at the link, I don't know. But you've got the handy nifty piece here for your phone, look. As you can see, phone fits in there. Put your phone in there, look. It's got a swivel, so you can swivel it around wherever you want it. And as you can see, you got your on and off button there for the light. You just need to put the battery in it and away you go. So pretty good. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing, click like. Make sure you tell your friends about the channel. Subscribe. Anyway, stay safe out there and get out and ride.